everybody, it's Patricia and welcome back to my channel. It's time to do my empties. My empties is for the month of January and February because in January I just didn't really have that many empties, and if it weren't for candles I still wouldn't have a lot of empties. And I was sick most of February though, so we'll take that into account. But yeah, I didn't have a lot of empties. I think I will save the candles for last because I have just teeny bits that's not candles. First, let's do hair. This is, look, the packaging's or the stickers are peeling off. This is the Garnier Fructis damage repairing papaya hair treat conditioner. I picked this up at Ollie's. I got it for $2.29 at Ollie's. And if you don't know, I usually keep 2 or 3 conditioners and shampoos in my shower, and I rotate when I wash my hair. I don't use the same thing every time, so I like to rotate. So sometimes these things sit in there for quite a while. That's what happened with this one. I love the smell of this. I really did. I really love the scent of this. Yeah. I might not sound that great. My voice keeps coming and going, but I can smell. I have no head cold or anything as I sniffle, sorry. But not really. I don't really have a head cold. But yeah, I love the scent of this, and I really liked how it worked. If I come across this again, I probably will pick it up because for $2, I mean, you know, why not? Keep it in your shower. Put it in my rotation. I have one makeup item, and it's a Ciate glitter flip, and this is just dead. It's not working. Now, Black Friday, I purchased the Ciate mystery box. I never got it. Starting in January, I started yeah, it's around January, I guess. I started like contacting Ciate London. I've heard so many people on YouTube who did not get their mystery box. Some did. Some did get a mystery box. But there are the people who bought the mystery box before Black Friday when it first went on sale. So apparently it went on sale before Black Friday. And so I did see one video where the lady did get her things. I wasn't too impressed with what she got. I tried to cancel my order. They didn't acknowledge anything. So I contacted, I used Clara, K-L-A-R-A. I bought more than just the mystery box. So I put in a pretty big order, and I had it split in 4 payments, and that's all been paid. I've received nothing. I've contacted Clara. I'm still getting the runaround. So if you like buying large quantities, you know, a big order, and using that 4-pay, just know, be very leery, because Clara, I'll keep you up to date, but I still, they told me it'll be about 21 days. After 30 days passed, and then they told me it's going to be 14 days. I said, well, you told me it's 21 days, then it's 14 days. And they said, well, it could be, we don't know. Just a heads up. Just a heads up. It's really affecting how I think I will purchase from now on. If I don't have the money to buy it right straight out, I'm not going to buy it. I'm not going to do 4 payments anymore. In case something like this happens. We're in weird times, people. And, I mean, Joann's is closing. We're in weird times. By the way, the Ciate London website, go on over there. It's not there. It's not there. All to say, yeah, no. Gone. I used up Illumify eye drops. I love these eye drops. I always keep a backup, so I'm good. So I used up Illumify. This was in my year-long project pan, 25 in 2025, and I showed it in my update on that. But here it is. I used up the Beekman's Pure Goat Milk Whipped Body Cream in Fig Leaf. And I am now using some Bath & Body Works. And I'm going to tell you, this is a nicer quality cream than Bath & Body Works. Now that I've compared it, really compared it using other, this is better. So I would highly suggest the Beekman company products, because this is a superior body cream. I got that as a gift, so I don't know how much it was. It was a gift. Okay, I used two like little face masks. I used a Hydrogel Eye Therapy Mask, EVIO Skin, Pink Perspective. This was nice. I like that. And then I used a face mask. I need to use them more. And when I pulled the top off, I just realized it pulled off the brand. I'm not sure the brand. It's Honey Nourishing. I do believe I got this in, probably from Shop Miss A. Maybe. I don't know. I don't know 100%. But there. I liked it. Next, I've got a bunch of perfume samples. Ellis Brooklyn Bee. I enjoyed that. That was nice. Who makes this one? Is this... I'm going to have to pull out the glasses to read these. Alright. Glasses. Okay. Yves Saint Laurent Libre. That was nice. It was okay. This just says Nuit. N-U-I-T. N-U-I-T. If I can remember. It smelled okay. None of this do I need to buy. Myself by Yves Saint Laurent. It's nice. So far, the bee one I liked better than the rest of these. Clinique My Happy. I like Clinique Happy. So I enjoyed Clinique My Happy. I did like this. I don't feel I need to buy it though. But Bee and then Be Happy are the ones I like so far. Alien by Mugler, I do like. Might pick it up one day. Might not. And I have a replica by the fireplace, because I have the dossier version. And since I have that, I think maybe one more of these. So I thought I just need to go ahead and use these up. I was using these until I got sick. So I might save that one until next year. I'm in the spring kind of mood now. Now, candles or wax. And no candles. There at the first of the year, Aldi didn't have a lot of candles. And so I ran out of candles. I had one in reserve that was in a drawer, and that was this Yankee Candle in French Countryside. It smells okay. It didn't put off a very strong throw. I can smell it. It smells okay. I'm not buying Yankee candles. I would prefer an Aldi candle over a Yankee candle, truthfully. And I don't need to keep this jar. It's going in the trash. My county in South Carolina, we do not recycle glass. I don't know why they don't, but hey, they don't. So I was without an Aldi candle there for a while. So I bought 2 Glade. This was like they were striped, you know, the different, I can't remember. This was Hawaiian something. If you know Glade, you'll know. I love the scent of these. They smell really good. They do smell a little air freshener. That's what they are. Got that air freshener scent. I don't need to keep these glass jars. So they work in a pinch when I can't pick up my Aldi candles. Next, from Kroger, I have these wax melts, and these were on sale for 43 cents from Kroger. And the scent is Caribbean Market. Oh, I'm not a huge fan of the Tuscany candles. I don't feel like the throw is strong enough, but with the wax melts, it is. Oh, this smells so good. I enjoyed this. When I bought this was the only wax melt they had in their little clearance section they have. I didn't see any others. This was the only one left, so I wouldn't buy that in a candle, but I'd buy it in wax melts, which makes me think I might buy more Tuscany wax melts. You might see more wax melts this year. I have a wax warmer now than in years past, if I can't find something good at Aldi. Now to Aldi. I have, these are Huntington Home. No, Aldi has a new brand, or it's new to me, so we'll get into that. So this is Huntington Home. This is scented wax melts I picked up over the holidays. It's Holiday Cranberry. I used this one up. Can I open it? Yes, it smells really nice. A lot of the Huntington Home are just a single scent. And I like that. You can mix and match. I like that too with my wax melts. I can mix and match. So yeah, that was nice. Now, I have 3 candles here. And that wax melt was Holiday Cranberry. Sorry, the lid fell. I have it in the candle. Grab the lid there. I have the Holiday Cranberry candle. Yep. And does it have notes? Because they like to put the notes on the candles now. It just says cranberry. There we go. I don't need to keep this jar. This was nice though. Now, lately I've seen Kirkton House. Kirkton. It's Aldi, but it's, I don't know, are they switching over from Huntington Home to Kirkton House? I don't know. I don't know. I have 2 more candles. They are in containers I am going to keep. First one, Kirkton House White Tea and Bergamot. Isn't this pretty? This is glass. Look at the can you see the design on that? There you can. And look how it burned. There's hardly anything left. This doesn't have notes though. Well, but it tells me it's white tea and bergamot. It did smell really good. Now, one thing about this, when I got it, it's not setting flat. There's, I don't know, it's wobbly. That's a defective, I guess, glass. But that's okay. I am going to keep it. It will look nice sitting on a vanity with something in it. Hair ties, Q-tips, something. And then the last thing I have is Kirkton House. Kirkton House. This is Peach Bellini. Gosh, I can smell this. Here it is. It's in this container. My husband picked this up for me when I was sick. He shopped and picked this up. I'm looking to see. It has a peel off. Look at there. It just says Peach Bellini. And then it has some warning, you know, about burning a candle. It smells very good. Candles in containers like this don't always burn that great. I mean, it's okay. It burned okay. And I can't tell if this is painted glass or colored glass. I have some other different glass shapes that are like drink glass shapes that I had gotten in the past that were colored glass. I did get some a while back that was painted. I didn't like that. I just went in and got rid of those. But I think I'll clean this out and see if it's colored glass. I'll keep it. And what do I do with them? Every now and then I need a little container for something. So if I need a little container for something, I go and pull an empty candle jar because it just looks nicer. Alright, that's it. That's all of my empties for January and February. It's going to be interesting to see what happens with Aldi with candles. We're not going over as much now to Aldi. So my candle might be hit or miss, but we'll see. We'll see what we come up with. But But anyway, guys, thank y'all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, just leave them down below. And if you're new here, I'd love it if you would subscribe. So guys, thanks for watching. I'll see y'all next time.